Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Our today's lesson is Lexion 5 on Dreißig. Lesson number 35. Negative article kein, keine, kein in nominative case. We learnt already bestimmte and unbestimmte article in my previous video. Today we will be doing negative article. Es gibt drei negative article. There are three negative articles in nominative case. Kein, keine, kein. Kein is for masculine noun. Keine is for feminine noun. Kein for neutrum noun. And keine is for plural. Negative article in nominative case. Here M stands for masculine, F stands for feminine, N stands for neutrum, and PL stands for plural. So the negative article in nominative case for masculine is kein, for feminine is keine, for neutrum is kein, and for plural is keine. Now I am going to tell you through these example. For masculine, is das ein Tisch? Ein Tisch is a masculine noun. That's why we add ein article before Tisch. Is this a table? And Tisch means a table. Nine. Das is kein Tisch. That is not a table. No, that is not a table. As we know, Tisch is a masculine noun. That's why we add kein Tisch for negative article. Das ist ein Stuhl. Stool means chair. Stool is a masculine noun. That's why ein unbestimmte article. And their bestimmte article is there. Now the feminine noun. Example of feminine. Is das eine Pizza? Pizza is a feminine noun. That's why we write eine. Nein, das ist keine Pizza. So the negative article for feminine is keine. Das ist eine Schokolade. Schokolade means chocolate. Chocolade is a feminine noun. That's why we add eine. Das ist eine Schokolade. Now the example of neutrum noun. Is das ein Fahrrad? Fahrrad. Fahrrad means cycle. Fahrrad is a neutrum noun. That's why we write ein. Nein, das ist kein Fahrrad. Negative article for neutrum noun is kein. Das ist ein Flugzeug. Flugzeug means aeroplane. Now the example of plural. Sind das Schuhe? Are these shoes? Nein, das sind keine Schuhe. Negative article for plural is keine. Das sind Socken. As you already know that in plural there is no unbestimmte article. That's why das sind Socken. Socken means socks. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon.